I don't know, 14, 15 of us. So the old LMB guys are gonna show us around. We'll go see what we get into. I think we're gonna hit Gatekeeper today. A couple of waterfall climbs. We're gonna try to find Redbird. They say no side-by-side's been up that. Got a real nasty V-notch with a couple house-sized boulders in it. So we're gonna see if we can find that and maybe put some tires on it. See if we can change the outcome of that today. We went hill killing yesterday, so we'll see what we get into today. Come on. Alrighty, well, we found it. The LMB guys said they've never really seen this one. I've kind of known about it, hearsay, but never really seen it. Got a pretty decent one down here. It's probably gonna be a little bit of a challenge. This is the big iconic, hard to get around, big V. The top of it is rowdy. I do think we're gonna throw some tires on it and see what she got. Mike's gonna come get a stick and show you how deep the water hole is. There's this real convenient rock that may end up over there.
That's about a foot.
About a foot to the mud.
So that's a, I don't know, 2.5 foot at least at the smallest part.
Yeah, so it's gonna be some stuff. So
one more stick, we're good.
oh, he's helping. What are you doing, brother? You gotta get the big one. We're gonna see what she got.
All right, we're over here at Redbird. Drew's gonna try to put some tires on it. I think I'm right where he's about to go. I sure am. up there a little bit. Good job.
Hell yeah.
That was some driving. You finessed that one.
Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah, that worked out.
You fingered that one pretty good, brother.
Yeah, that's the first.
Well, at least the rest is just super easy, right?
Yeah. We in here now, though.
I can get you up though.
I think so.
Cool. We'll get
Me and Billy
situated.
Go have a conversation.
We'll be back.
Here we go.
Billy and Drew do a little walk up and give themselves an idea where they want to go. Billy's gonna give them a spot. See what happens. Hell yeah! Still got some rowdiness up there. You can see old boy up there is not short. That is a tall man, and there's some big ledges. Do a little looking, I believe. We'll be back. All right, back in the buggy, strapped up. Little turtle. Go! Billy, back him up. That got a little rowdy. Don't know how that looked on camera. Hold on, let me get up past you. All right, time to scope out the next spot. This is the top side here. Not a joke. We'll be back. All right, back in the buggy. Gonna get positioned up. Coming up through top. Slider's caught. It just caught on the slider. There you go. When the top of the trail leads you straight to grass, you know nobody's coming up this motherfucker. side's going right into the undercut. There's nothing under it. Right. Like I hit. Mike's down. I guess we'll see that on video. All right. Had some big old rocks at the bottom that were there. There was one big one on driver's side that was kind of giving a nice little boost, but it's been ejecto-cedoed. So now he's just got probably a 3.5 foot ledge to crawl up. So we'll see what he can make happen. We'll be back. All right, back. Drew getting strapped up. We definitely didn't put any rocks in the hole. Everybody else does it. We want to see what it was all about.
Yeah. I made the first part that nobody made, so they got to get to this part and then they can give me shit.
All right, here we go. Says he's gonna give it one more smack, and if she goes, she goes. If not, we're gonna winch her out of here. Let's freaking go, bud! Redbird, check. The Drew show. Drew's world. We're just living in it, bud. Come on.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. No, we didn't. Yeah. So we're under the impression that there hasn't been a side-by-side come out the top without unassisted?
Correct. There's not even been any videos making past the first E-rock down there that I've seen side by side.
Come on.
I did cheat a little bit, but
We definitely had to put. So this rock, when we got here, was already up to the stop side. So basically we just slid one more rock right here, kind of replaced it. There is still, I mean, this is still 3.5 foot, 4 foot tall and undercut this side. I mean, it's still no joke. That's definitely for sure.
yeah, I did cheat a little bit, but I tried it every which way possible I could bump it. I just couldn't get the right rear to climb it. So I'll take it. It is what it is. Somebody wants to come do it without the rock stack, have at her, bud. We're number one. Come on.
Let's go. All right, we're gonna load up, head out to some trail riding. Let's go.
Alrighty, well, Cody's back over here at LMB Hill. We're gonna see if he got some redemption in her today. Come on. It's definitely a good 18 to 20 foot wall, so it's a good one. Alrighty, well, Cody's back over here at LMB Hill. We're gonna see if he got some redemption in her today. Come on. It's definitely a good 18 to 20 foot wall, so it's a good one. Go, go! Hell yeah, nice job. Confidence, man, it gets you a long way. So, but nice job, got some redemption on. I'm sure he'll feel good about that one. And the thing starts now. He's 2 for 2 today. Let's see what the old teleportation act does here. You gotta get more at an angle or it's gonna kick you. No. You gotta get more at an angle. You gotta get like this. You gotta get like this with the hill. Your rear needs to go. It's gonna kick him if he does that.
It's almost like how I hit it yesterday.
I went on this side of the stump.
Yeah, but his rear's over. He's still facing this way. You gotta act like you're gonna shoot towards that power pole. There you go. There, now hit it.
Keep in it.
See what? It's
almost did
deceiving.
exactly
You
what I
have
did.
to shoot
Yeah.
this way.
Yeah.
Because the hill's gonna kick you.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
That's exactly what happened
Don't
to me
do that.
when I flipped yesterday.
I feared for my life.
It looked just like what I did yesterday, except you didn't go back down the side.
I about killed Cody because I was gonna run him over and pick him up.
I got out of the throttle so you could move, brother.
Well, I was not.
I was gonna lay it down for
The
you.
teleportation was too fast. I couldn't adjust.
I only did a quarter throttle.
I know, and that's still more horsepower than the rest of us. Oh,
Yeah, that you could boot, like, I guarantee I could be at there.
oh, I was yesterday, like way up there. Oh, yeah. Well, nice job, even though you almost killed me. So
Yeah, I saw you. I was blowing you kisses.
I don't think you
I
did.
was right here.
I didn't look at you no more. I was still holding and running, and I was about ready to
Look
take
at the
Cody
camera. I'm
with
sitting
me.
there doing that's what
Oh. Alrighty, well, guess we got a couple newbies from yesterday. We'll go see if we can talk them into hitting orgasm over here. Alright, here we go. Hell yeah, nice job. Alright, got another 1K left? Oh no, that says turbo on the side.
No, it says 1,000.
Oh.
It says 1,000 for you.
You gotta scoot the rear over.
So I think you can hit it anywhere if you hit it fast.
Fast enough, yeah.
You'll just boost up, you'll land.
Yeah, I
up.
just suck.
Hell yeah. Nice job. What are you doing down there? Come on.
It's easy.
You're gonna make the YouTube. G-Trail runners down there, come on.
It's not cages went up and they're all going.
Yeah, what are you doing?
Brothers.
Brother, what are you doing?
Come on, Caleb! Come on! You got it! Pussy!
Oh my
Grabs
god.
his harness. It's not on.
G-Trail runners, built different, come on.
You gotta go too.
Alrighty, we got Trey coming up. You got a pretty nasty looking chassis, so got some big money in that girl. Got the Fox shocks sitting on the bump stops. Come on.
Dude, you just almost died. You just...
Hell yeah. Nice job. Well, some of the carnages from Wellsville. I guess this happened last night. Call this boat dock, I guess.
Yeah, both died.
That A-pillar is wrecked. So, I believe they said old boy's all right. So be
Look on the machine.
interesting. Alrighty, well we over here at Chapstick. Cool little climb up out of the creek bottom. See what Billy got for us. Come on. Brother, she ain't no Zillas. Easy, buddy, easy now. Nice job, dude. That was he's driving that mug. You gotta ditch the glasses. Gotta ditch the pitties. Come on. You're putting pinky on. Getting with it. It's in reverse now.
Oh, ball joint just came out. You got ball joint hanging on, or A-arm on the ground.
Damn. Oh.
Brother. Lower A-arm.
Got the horns. Clippings.
Broke where it screws in behind.
Ooh.
Come
Broke
on.
off clean in the threads.
Clean.
Ooh.
Dude, I've broken 3 of those.
Broken right at the jam nut. Not clean, but right at the jam nut.
I'm at.
Spot for that.
Alrighty. Well, it turns out we found Billy. He's in a rare form of stuff's broken. And sheared the heim off. Ball joint's still not good, but
Yeah, that's
it's
a
not broke.
Super ATV color.
Yeah, that's not good. So the turner looks like it pulled out of the inner CV. So we're gonna see if we can get that popped back in there, and Cody went back to camp to grab some parts.
There you go, brother.
Hopefully get her thrown back together. Yeah, that's
No good.
no good. Magic. So come on.
You guys hold it.
Well, we back here at camp. We got a pretty rare sight going on right now. Got that red Turbo S up on the jack. How you feel about it, Billy?
I feel pretty good. One spare part I don't have.
One spare we don't have.
Rotor.
Yeah. Apparently, yeah. Apparently, he'd never been a rotor, so those didn't make it in the order card for the toolbox. So he's sounding like he's got a buddy of his that's on the way. Says he's got one. So hopefully get a rotor thrown back on it. See what we got. We're out here on some random rock crawl doing some stuff. It's the horns. I guess it's one of those times where we're getting into the last few hours of the day, so she's gonna get lit. Come on.
All right, y'all. I don't know where we are. We're in a creek bed somewhere. Drew, feeling frisky, wants to make a hill. Here we go. Dial. I'm fucking dialed, brother. Actually, there'll be enough dirt in the bottom. fucking tree, dude. One more, a good one, I would say. Got past it. All right, y'all, back here. We are at the right side of Dinosaur. Come on! I got destroyed. Let's go. Good job, Drew. Another one. All right. Right side of Dinosaur. Brother! You want a winch? I'll come up there to say it. Drew said he thinks you can back down it. Thinks. Do you want to pull the line?
Go nice and slow. Go passenger. Yep. Straight.
Yep, your money, dude. Good job. Missed it. All right, Billy gonna give another run at it. Come on. Passenger! Brakes, hold on.
Go hard, passenger. Come back down the hill.
Passenger, floor it and just do a U-ey.
No way, I'm gonna ram around that tree.
It's gonna hook you and it's gonna spin all the way around. It'll do it.
You're at the bottom. I mean, you're like 2 feet from the flat ground.
Back up once. Run all the way, driver. Back up once.
All right. It's a hell of a hill there. All right, you're sitting up. That got rowdy, bud. Come on. Let's go. Sparks! Sparks! I think you just broke the, I believe we just broke a diff. And or drive shaft, hopefully.